Hey fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are going to do another rainbow pour painting today. It will be similar to the one I just did, but I have switched some things up and how we're going to pour it is going to be a little different. Color-wise, we've got all Liquitex colors again. So we've got deep violet, cobalt blue hue, brilliant blue, light green permanent. This yellow is a combination of cadmium yellow medium hue with titanium white to lighten it. Our orange is a mix of cadmium red deep hue and cadmium yellow medium hue to get that orange color, and then I added some titanium white to lighten it. And then our red is cadmium red deep hue. So I switched out the yellow and the orange mainly because last painting they were semi-transparent, and with the different red, which was opaque, it ate up all the yellow and orange. So I've tried to make these more of a semi-opaque. And then I switched out the blue as well. It was a semi-transparent and it just got lost with the purple. So I'm gonna layer the paints in the cup, starting with the purple, working around the colors of the rainbow, ending with the red. And I'm gonna do a layer of each color once in each cup. So I'm gonna get that done and then I'll bring you back. Okay, we are working on a 14-inch canvas. There's our 2 cups filled right there. I have mixed my paint, 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. Pouring medium is 60% Elmer's glue wall, 40% water. So what I'm gonna do is 2 straight pours. Probably gonna aim for about there and just let them do their thing. So hopefully this will work. Okay, the goal is to try and stay as centered as possible. So lots of red to start with, not surprised. Here comes the orange. Got some yellow. We're starting to get the blues. There's the darker blue, the cobalt blue. I think I'm doing an okay job trying to stay in the same spot. It's definitely hard. Here comes the purple. There's one. This one's not going to be as clean. That's unfortunate. Okay. Starting to go over on that edge. Wouldn't mind centering that just a little bit. And I'm going to give it a torch so I can see some bubbles. So I had about 500 grams of paint, more than enough for the size canvas. I'm gonna give it another torch. I got a couple bigger bubbles here. I'll just quickly pop these ones. There we go. That has another one right there. There we go. Okay. Getting an interesting pattern on this one. I wasn't sure kind of how it was gonna do its thing. I've done split cups two at the same time, but I did like oranges, yellows, and reds, and then blues on the other side. So this one is definitely rainbow colors going out. That looks pretty cool. We're gonna lose our pretty centers. A little sad about that. Almost all the way over on the corners. Yeah, I'm really liking the actual rainbow look. Okay, we're pretty much over. I'll have to fix the absolute corners. I'll do that off camera, but I'm gonna get you zoomed in. So give me 1 second. So there, all zoomed in. What do you think? I think this looks like a rainbow, like a reflection rainbow. I think it turned out pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. You know, you got the purple in the center. This side is more of a rainbow than this side. This circle moved over a bit on me, but that's okay. But yeah, you got your purple at the bottom and then red at the top. So definitely happy with the different colors that I put in. I think it looks a lot better. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.